Hazrat Ali described about the piety as La yaqillu amalun ma taqwa. Action isn't small with piety. At-tuqa raisul akhlaq. Piety is the crown of all virtues. He said, Ayyuhan nasu taqullah allazi in qultum samiya wa in azmartum alima. O people, fear from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you say, He listens. If you hides in heart, He knows. Usikum bi taqwallahi wa nazmi amrikum. I bequeath to fear from Allah Almighty and keep things organized. Piety is the best defense. He mentioned Afzalu Zuhde Ikhfa'u Zuhud. The best piety is the concealment of piety. It is narrated, La izza izzun minat taqwa. There is no respect like piety. Once Hazrat Ali described 110 attributes of muttaqeen on the repeated insistence of his follower Humam bin Abeda. After hearing these attributes, he died due to the fear of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Hazrat Ali said on his deceased body as Inni akhafu ilay. I was worried about that.